People reach destination now. We go from our boat. I thought you were going to do some spearfishing. Hey. I them in that ark. Open our boat. Did you ever go in a boat yet? Oh yeah. Time for head out now. Take a seat, babe. We do some spearfishing today, no? Let's see what we can find. Hopefully we'll get some fish. So we'll go up on the island and we'll go spearfish around these other parts. So we'll see what we're going. Fingers crossed. Guys, the captain can get some gas over the gas station, you know? Yeah, we get the boat. That's where we're going today. So I'm going to buy some gas for the boat.
Children used to run and play. Look at all the mess we made. Guess I never know where it went wrong. Sometimes I feel like all that's sad, 'cause we're old and people forget. In this crazy world I don't belong. I see fire burning but I close my eyes. Falling out of place. I see trees ripped from the ground, but nobody makes a sound. I see fire burning, but I'm fine. No, I'm nobody.
Alright, peeps, so reach the island now. Yeah? Yeah, they're tight, kind of get low. That's why we're going to up off of the boat now. Jump off in the water. You don't carry him? I don't need none. You're not going deep. I don't know something we are going on. We can stand up. Jaja! Man, come out quickly, man. Fuck up them stuff for people. Oh. That me know. Go to the next bag, Mitch. just come out of the water, you know. Yo! Him? So we just come out and go test about the water still. But for now, we just go back and change spot. We go around that point. You know? Yeah. Let's see if we can get some more fish. How much fish I have? 3, 1 lobster, 1 parrot, and 1 doctor fish. So, we are change the location here. Hopefully we get some more. Or we can get the hook. Let's go! Watch out. Yeah. Oh, then dead. They yeah. I see him think them, you know. But them dead. This dead. Don't know what is it, Does the people eat them? Them shellless. Yeah, I shellless.
I am coral. Some people think I'm just a rock, when in fact I'm the largest thing alive on this planet. I'm so big I can be seen from space. But for how long? I grew for almost 250 million years. Then humans came along and now 1/5 of me is gone. Sure, I live at the bottom of the sea, and you might not see me that often. But you do need me. Do you realize that 1/4 of all marine life depends on me? I am the nursery of the sea. Little fish depend on me for food, and to hide from the big fish. And guess who eats the big fish? That's right, you do. I'm the protein factory for the world. Yet you raise the temperature of the ocean so I can't live here anymore. And when big storms and tsunamis barrel through the ocean, I'm your fortress. Yet you tear me apart with dynamite and poison me with cyanide. Well, here's a crazy thought. Stop killing me.
Yeah, people, so we finished fishing right now. I'll go see if we can get the fish and clean up at the next spree right now. And we're going to head home, head across back to mainland, isn't it? So, right now, I never didn't in the year with it too. Yeah, I'll make the right here. Yeah. So, if I get the fish and clean up, I'm going to show you how we catch. So, in there, I take them out. We have a source of fish. We just get this one last. Oh, yeah, go clean up that one. Then in time I'll cook that one enough, because I don't know about source of fish. Ugly of fret. We have some little fish right here to see me. No? We have a steam fish. So we have, I call him a Conga Tony. Doctor fish. Honestly, I don't remember this is Jack name. One nice one, honestly. And more of this. My phone.
Finally, to blows now.
No, lobster.
All the one you been up in the bottom right here.
And I want fish without tail. Yeah, good catch. Good catch. So I get them clean up now. At the next spree right now, we get them clean so we can head back across. But I think when I don't cooking today, you know, for next day. Or after next day, isn't it? So people, I try to go on the road, see if we can get them fish a scale up. But when I bring them home, so we need a scale and stuff, you know. So we'll see if we can clean them up. That I breed. People, I tell you, we are left the island now, see? Basically night. We are all day, but it's a good day, same way. But we head over to mainland now. So we'll update you guys whenever we reach. So I got the people reach back mainland now. So I come out for the boat. You know? Beautiful night. Oh, my pier looks so pretty. What pier that? Yeah. You know them boat that over the pier pretty afraid. Man, hold on.